Cybersecurity is no longer optional. Whether you're working, shopping, gaming, or streaming, the internet can be a risky place. Today, we're reviewing one of the most trusted names in the cybersecurity world, Bitdefender Antivirus. From cutting-edge protection to powerful privacy tools, we're breaking down everything you need to know. And stick around, because we've got a special discount just for you at the end of this video. Why Bitdefender? Did you know that cyber attacks happen every 39 seconds? From identity theft to ransomware holding your files hostage, hackers are constantly evolving. That's why you need an antivirus solution that stays one step ahead, like Bitdefender. Bitdefender isn't just another antivirus. It's been consistently ranked among the top in independent tests like AV-Test and AV Comparatives. Why? Because it combines powerful protection with a lightweight design that won't slow down your devices. Bitdefender's key features. Bitdefender uses advanced AI to identify and block threats as they happen. Whether it's a malicious file or suspicious app behavior, Bitdefender has your back 24/7. Ever clicked on a link that seemed legit but wasn't? Bitdefender's anti-phishing tools scan links and warn you before you fall into a trap. Perfect for safe online shopping and banking. If you value your privacy, you'll love Bitdefender's VPN. It keeps your online activities anonymous, even on public Wi-Fi. And their anti-tracking feature ensures advertisers can't stalk you across the web. For families, Bitdefender offers advanced parental controls. From limiting screen time to filtering content, you can keep your kids safe online and even track their location for peace of mind. And it's not just about security. Bitdefender includes tools to boost your device's performance by clearing up unnecessary files and speeding up load times. Ease of use. Now let's take a quick look at Bitdefender in action. Setting up Bitdefender is super simple. Download, install, and you're good to go. The dashboard is clean and intuitive, showing your protection status at a glance. Want to run a scan? Just one click and Bitdefender starts checking your system for threats. If you're enjoying this review and want more tech insights, hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications. We post regular updates, tips, and reviews to keep your digital life secure. Don't miss out. Considering Bitdefender. Let's weigh the pros and cons. Pros: exceptional malware detection, minimal impact on device performance, comprehensive features like a VPN, password manager, and parental controls. Cons: the free VPN has a bandwidth limit unless you upgrade. Advanced tools might feel overwhelming for beginners. Now let's talk about pricing. Bitdefender offers plans for all budgets. The Antivirus Plus plan is perfect for basic protection. Premium Security offers unlimited VPN traffic and a fully featured password manager for enhanced privacy and security. The Total Security plan offers full coverage across all your devices. The Ultimate Security plan provides unlimited VPN, a password manager, and digital identity protection for maximum security. Check the description for the latest prices and our exclusive discount link. Why Bitdefender stands out. Here are some hidden gems. Rescue environment removes deeply embedded threats by rebooting your system in a secure mode. File shredder. When you delete files with Bitdefender, they're gone for good. No recovery possible. Perfect for sensitive data. Whether you're a casual user, a parent managing your family's devices, or a gamer who demands top performance, Bitdefender has something for everyone. Its multi-platform support means you can protect your Windows, PC, Mac, Android, or iOS device, all with one subscription. Thanks for watching our in-depth review of Bitdefender Antivirus. If you found this helpful, give us a thumbs up and share it with anyone who needs better online security. And don't forget, there's an exclusive discount waiting for you in the description below. Protect your devices and your peace of mind today. Stay secure, and we'll see you in the next video.